Hey guys, we are the Wickmans. My husband quit his job and we sold all of our things so we could spend more time together, travel the world, and learn new cultures. Join us as we navigate our lives in many beautiful new places.
Oh.
Good?
Good glove.
Yeah. Thank you.
It's always a tight one around here.
Our one road leading to our house is literally a golf cart path.
Are you going to drama on the beach?
Yeah, we have to eat on the beach because we can't really go in the restaurant since you and brother are sick. Is that okay?
Yeah.
We can do another little picnic?
Yep.
What'd you say?
Bro, you're going the wrong way.
Bro.
Bro.
Bro, you're going the wrong way.
Dad, where do you think
goodness.
she's getting that lingo from?
I can think of a few people I would have to at the top of my head, probably
Yeah.
at the top of the list.
Honestly, I've gotten it from you too, so I think she's getting it from both of us. Look how big this lettuce has gotten since we've been here. It's so cool to see the progress. And look at all of the sunflowers. Beautiful. Mommy has sunflowers on my shirt. What was that, Daddy?
I forgot my pins.
Somebody told Dad that he forgot his fins, but he's just giving this board away today, so he doesn't need any fins in it.
Spa day?
You want to do one?
Yeah.
Okay, well maybe me and you could do a spa day together, but Mom's getting a 3-hour spa day in for $60.
Hello, Ariah.
Hi.
Hello, my friend.
Say
How
hi,
are you?
All right, Pop, let's go. Gotta go give the board away. There he is over there.
There he goes. That's you, bro. Let's see what happened to it. Can you get it fixed? Yeah. Okay, good. Thank you, guys. Awesome.
I hope you get some use out of it. Get a video.
Yeah.
We want to watch you.
Yeah.
Get some big barrels.
Yeah, because how was the waves earlier? No book small. They don't small in. Was it small or big? Small. Yesterday. Yeah, yesterday was good. Just a little bit of information on the surfboard. That's our friend Gus. He's the lifeguard here at Keramas, and he took care of me with some of my cuts that I've had the other day. So I thought it was cool once I got done talking to him, and Allie gave me some information on him. So I thought he was a perfect candidate for the surfboard. So that's what we did. We hooked him up.
That's my girl right there.
Oh, that's your girl? You love that server, huh?
Yeah, that's my best friend.
Oh, she's your best friend? So we came here with every intention on having another little beach picnic, but Ariah's girl, aka one of our favorite servers here, ensured us that she would sanitize and wipe everything down. So we are sitting far away from everybody down here, but she said that we were not allowed to go sit on a blanket and have our lunch, that we definitely needed to sit at a table and enjoy our lunch, and that she would take care of everything. So that was very nice.
All right, Sissy's doing a little pre-lunch playing in the sand. What's going on, sis? Is it hot?
No,
Okay.
take your shoes off.
Dicey? Ooh. Making a little sandcastle. That's how we wash our hands in Bali. Here it comes. This is a good one right here. Get a little closer. Okay, no, stand up, stand up. Ah!
What do you think we should do after we eat lunch?
Maybe you can find some pizza.
Ooh, that sounds fun.
Look at Daddy's lunch today.
Not a big rib guy, but they're good here.
And then Mama got some chicken zinger burgers. I already have one down on this. Is she over there building a sandcastle? Yeah. You want to go too, huh? We have a few errands that we need to run today. So after we get done with lunch, we're going to head into Sonor and pick up a wetsuit, pick up a surfboard, hit an electronics store, and possibly the grocery store.
We're there, might as well, right?
Yeah. So yeah, come along with us.
We came down here today after lunch to bless the beach. The beach takes care of us, so we're gonna take care of it back.
And how are you guys blessing it?
We're taking just little scoops and spreading it all over the beach. That is sweet, Mom. What? Oh no! And that's how it goes. How messed up is that? But that is beautiful, babe. You're so talented.
Look what we just found. A baby, perfect little sea urchin. Look at that. I've never found one that tiny and so perfect. And it was right here at the very top of the beach.
Well, Mom's inside this little boutique here, booking her spa day. I think it's 20 bucks an hour, so she's gonna do 3 hours, and that would be the price of 1 hour back home. So she's pretty stoked. Alrighty, is that thing booked?
So I just booked a 3-hour spa day, which includes a 1-hour massage, full body, a flower bath, a 1-hour facial, and a foot massage. Wow. So happy. Thank you, Daddy.
Guess who deserves it?
Who?
You.
Oh, and it's the day before Mother's Day, and then the next day is Mother's Day, and I get to spend it with you guys. Want to know the final price? $65 with taxes, everything out the door. Spa day, hey, hey. This hotel is so beautiful.
We haven't stopped and got a coffee here yet, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Looks pretty good.
It's a no-nonsense coffee.
I just was eating the little food.
Cheers! Woo. Oh my gosh. That is literally perfect. See?
How you doing?
I definitely got the wrong one though.
Oh my gosh. Mine is wow, that just made mine taste even better.
Got it back.
What are you doing, Shane Taylor?
It's terrible. So that lady sitting right there is kind of like the gatekeeper. The last 2 or 3 times I've come through here, she like saw I was going back to the surfing thing. She's like, oh yeah, go ahead. Yeah, down here. It's kind of like when I go to Greg Geiselman's shop and his mom's there. She's kind of like the gatekeeper.
That is the truth. All right, going into Grand Lucky to buy a few things. Go ahead and get these 3. Bye, Grand Lucky, for the 100th time this week.
Kind of wore out from that trip.
Was that quick?
Yes, and I'm so tired from going in there and doing all that.
Sis, was that quick enough for you?
No.
Of course. Hi, Piggers. Oh, this is so cool. There's so many little kids here. Okay, so we just decided to kind of do a little drive-by of our Airbnb that we just booked yesterday, and its location is so beautiful. It's right in the middle of all these rice fields. And we already have seen a bunch of little kids. So I think that's it. I think we already passed it, babe. We did. It's behind us. Alright, so I think our house is like, yeah, there it is.
Yes, it is. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness.
There's our house we're staying at next time.
Right there, Ariah. Look, you got stairs to play on.
What do you think?
I like it.
Oh, yeah,
That's so cute.
might be this one.
Alright, so we found our next house that we're going to be staying in. This is the gate where we pull in. There's a little patio up there. There's a nice pool.
Are you staying at here right now?
We're gonna come back in a couple weeks, okay?
You're this part in?
No, we just wanted to check out our new spot. Make sure it was a nice spot for us to stay at.
And you're just making sure there's no people.
Yep, making sure it's just a nice area, and I think it is. That's beautiful.
Is there a restaurant?
Yeah, nice little restaurant we can eat
Pool
at
table.
in the morning. Alright, so we've been driving by this little clothing shop for the past few weeks since we've been staying in Sukawati, and we decided to go check it out right quick. Dayu Collection.
We need to take our shoes.
It says no shoes allowed.
No problem, no problem.
Tan, or blue for Ariah and the tan for Xander.
No,
Perfect.
No.
No on that one, yeah. Thank you. We love your store.
Terima kasih. Terima kasih.
Suksama.
Suksama.
Thank you.
Bali.
Susama?
Suksama.
Suksama.
Terima kasih.
Can you do that? Put your hands together.
Suksama.
Hold
Thank
it
you for
down.
teaching us.
Suksama. That's awesome. 90,000. They each got a really cute matching outfit, and Mama got some natural perfume.
Here in Sukawati, Dirty Makasi.
Hi.
Hi.
So we just got home from a long day, picked up my surfboard, had a little damage to it, and I was pulling out of the car and I realized that one of my fin boxes is busted. I don't know if you can see that, but there's water in there. Back to the guy to fix it. That's awesome. I don't know what to do. Hopefully they can fix it.
Hi. You guys have your new cute matching Balinese outfits from our Sukawati shop. They're so cute. They both are wearing the same size because that's the only size they even had.
This is how we do feeding time sometimes, little drive-by bites. Here, boy. Here, boy. You want a treat?
Alright, so tonight I'm trying out some new veggies, and for the first time ever I'm using our little oven.
You want some broccoli?
Doing some broccoli in the oven, and then I have some zucchini that I finally found because everything I thought was zucchini every time it's been cucumbers. And then I have over here some ribeyes that I'm going to throw in the pan with some butter and saute that up, and I think we'll have a nice dinner. Slap your mom on that thing.
Alright guys, that's the end of today's video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. We've got a bunch of fun things coming up in the next few weeks, so keep those notifications on. And as always, like and subscribe.